inside of this box is a vacuum cleaner, one that is not mine. This is a job for somebody else, and blimey, I have had this for so long that, look, that was a shipping label. It's a shipping label. Look, I don't have to be careful to not dox my address. Yeah, this has been sat in the sun for a while, and for once I have a vague idea of what it is. I think it is a Hoover Purepower of some description. So, let's get this thing unboxed, unwrapped, assembled, and see, well, what is wrong with it. I think it works fine. It's probably just going to need a refurb. Let's have a look. Hello, my vacuum cleaner and Hoover upright chums. How are you today? Yes, I do always caveat my timeline heavily whenever I do these jobs for other people, because, blimey, life can take a spin on you. Ooh, well, we are missing a top cord hook, so that could be annoying, but we have an additional green sticker next to our Hoover roundel. What else is in here? Obviously, this part. We have a very well braced up bag door, fair enough. Then the machine itself. No packaging on that part of end at all. Ooh. Seems okay. Lovely. Very apart. We have another package. That's a one, I can guess that. Can't even reach. Around the bottom of the box, wow, look, the filter is incredibly well protected, and the tool holder. Fair enough. So, we may as well unwrap it. Oh, you don't got to do it nicely. What? Why are you underneath that? Yeah, Hoover Purepower in yellow. Or I can read you its model number, U3430, from... This is if I never know. I'm going to say week 19, 2001. And if I'm wrong, and I'll show you that in a minute, you can tell me why. Because, yeah, I mean, it wouldn't be much earlier than that. We've only started in the mid to late 90s. And not in yellow. Oh, take this off. I didn't think to bring scissors or anything handy like that. There we go. Oh, there's a hose. That's handy to have. Right, so, oh my god, more stuff. Look at the flat pack. Look, IKEA Purepower. Ooh. Yeah, screws. Oh, what screws? Well, actually, some of them will be, actually, yeah, handle and tool holder. Worried there for a second. Right, I don't even know what flavour of Purepower it is. Really, I mean, it's to her Madge, because they all would have been in the 2000s. Oh, look, we have a tool. Oh, what the, no, oh. There we go. So we have a very nice dusting brush there. That's good. Put that in there. There's our hose. Oh, look, let's unwrap our filter. Check it survived. I mean, it's probably going to go in the bin or the wash anyway. Oh, yeah, definitely the wash. That is a Hoover Purepower filter for sure. I'm going to get some scissors, because we are getting to some mildly delicate things. So we should probably start to exercise some caution. Right, that can come off there. I mean, I guess they've done the best they can with the box they had, so hey, not too bad. There we go. Look, Purepower 1300 watts. Even the decals aren't too smashed up. That's reasonably acceptable. Right, we can't put that on yet. What's in here? Yes, the filter cover, tool holders. Oh yes, bag holder, because it needs to go on with this, and this, I guess. I'll just get a box that fits. That's what I'll try and do when it goes back. Right, I say back, goes home. It hasn't been to where it needs to go yet. Right, I now need to remember very quickly how the heck. Well, look, even the pre-motor filter is a bit tasty. Lovely. I need to. Also, I'm fairly sure, unless it's in one of the packaging, missing the upholstery tool. So we'll have to have a look at that. Right, this. Oh, I can't remember. This goes on up top, yeah. Then the bag thing can go on. Oh, then this needs to go at the bottom. Then the screws just go in. They're all the same size screw. I've not even got a screwdriver with it. Blimey. And with those bits fitted, presumably the right way round, who cares, this won't matter now. I found, amazingly, I had a bag. I wasn't actually sure I did. But I do. It's not a particularly lovely bag, but it's a bag. And again, this isn't a particularly lovely machine yet, so it doesn't matter. Ooh, very yellow. Look at that. Marvellous. Right, we shall put our filter in, because why the devil not? Pop the back cover into place. Then we need to put the back cover into place. If you're in there, oh, there we go. So that didn't latch. There we go. And then if I just pull you up a little bit, we can twist the hose on. Oh, hoses. If anybody has a hose for a Hoover Purepower total system, do get in touch, because I do need one of those. Hose, oh, there's a little bit of damage. It's been trodden on before, but it doesn't really make a difference. And then it'll go on this way. Oh, I can see paint fleckles. That's nice to see. There you go, all down there. There we go. And then that bit can sit on there. We can put our one tool, the top one. There we go. Pop our scabbard into place. And once I put the handle on, we shall be able to turn it on and see if it's... Well, hang on. Oh, it does have a brush roll. It has actually an alright brush roll. So yeah, let's finish assembling it with these two screws here. Ooh. Hang on. The housing, oh, there we go, popped in there. It doesn't really matter, it's all coming apart soon, but yeah, look, it's all just come out of place during shipping. I wonder if we just tweak, there we go, because obviously I'm about to put it together with this screw, and that's when the damage will happen. Because yeah, you do the top screw, which is the longer one. There's a slot head as well, which makes it 27 times more of a pain, and then this little shorter one goes in here, presumably to stop it flexing as the machine is completely trashed around in use. Right, there we go, that'll do. So it's all going to come apart next, so meh, whatever. Flex seems fine. We'll have a very boring moulded plug, especially in this age. The 2000s. Oh. Right, we have power. No, yes, we do. Oh. Yeah, that was a humongous delay. Yeah, that's rotating. That's stopped rotating. Rotating. Right, the Hoover Enigma that we had was better than this. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think the belt is a bit tired, but it is doing stuff. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at that flex. Yeah, that's not too bad, really. That seems to work very well. It's just a bit filthy. Let's have a good old check underneath now, although all seems okay. Right, so, yes, here is the ratings plate for your pleasure. U30, wrong way. No, right way, just more. U3430 from, yeah, I reckon 0119, but it's all be for 2016, is it? These were well gone by there. And on to the next iteration of the same thing. Yeah, the wheels, they're not bad. Purepowers can suffer from very wobbly wheels. This one is okay. Front wheels, yeah, they're okay. Again, these can break off, and yeah, this bit seems fine, really. I think the belt's just a little bit worn, but I mean, it spins okay. So it's probably about as good as it's going to get, and yeah, the whole thing, it doesn't work badly. It just needs a very, good strip and a good wash, and it will get a lot more of its airflow back. And yeah, it's a very nice cleaner. So I don't mind the basic Pure Power. I think they're all right. I mean, bar the fact that I don't like physically using them, as we learned with the Enigma. But you know, this one's much nicer. It's like a honeybee, isn't it? The bee Pure Power. Very nice indeed. So, there we go, really. We shall leave it there and come back once it's all had a really get in here. It's just utterly filthy dirty and needs a very good clean. I'm sure just taking this off. Oh, sure just taking this off. And then we will take the filter off. Probably going to breathe a lot more now. Caught that with my arm there, didn't mean to do that. Oh yeah. I'm sure I just smelt the slightest waft of carbon and all that. Let's hope that was just in this filter rather than in the air. Seems fine, I can't see any sparks, can't smell it in the airflow. Probably just where it's been sat for ages. And here we are, giving it a good old palming. So, we shall leave it be, start to strip it down. Look, we can start to take things off with the hose. I mean, I'll just wash the hose like that. The end comes off. You can do the same with the other end, I think. Ow. Oh, no, you can't, these. Yeah. Oh, no, yeah. Untwist. I think the other end untwist, but you don't need to. And yeah, you just start to tear it down. You take it apart bit by bit. I'm missing the right tools, but look, this top bit will just pop out if you release the clips, and that's all you need to do to that. So on, such forth. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and I, and the Honey Badger Pure Power, will see you soon. Bye-bye.